Welcome to the second solo course. In this course, we'll expand your soloing possibilities and take your lead guitar playing to the next level. By now, you've learned how to play within a single shape, like this. However, each scale has 5 different shapes across the fretboard. So in this course, we'll expand your playing area from just one shape to now include the 2 shapes next to it, this one and this one. After this course, you'll be able to play solos up and down the neck, like this. But before we start this package, it's important that you finish the first solo course and that you know your way around this shape. By the end of this course, you'll know how to play scales in all 3 shapes, how to connect them together, and how to play solos around this entire area of the neck. So get ready and let's get going.